Welcome to Wave. There are a variety of ways to start sharing your digital business card included with your profile. Whether your lead is on an iPhone or an Android, you'll be able to seamlessly exchange contact details. Let's take a quick look at each one. As soon as you log into your profile, you'll have access to share your QR code or add to your Apple or Google Wallet for convenient access to your profile on the go. You can also send a direct link, share via SMS, share via email, and in instances where there isn't a network connection, you can even share via offline QR code, which contains the entire contact card of your profile and allows your lead to save your details. On an iPhone, my lead can scan using the QR code that's connected to my profile, or they can tap using my optional NFC business card. Regardless of the method they use, they'll instantly get an app clip pop-up that shows my name, title, and photo. When they tap View, they'll instantly be brought to my profile where they can exchange contact details and start connecting. On an Android phone, my lead can use the same methods where they scan my QR code or they tap on my NFC card. They're instantly launched into my profile where they can exchange contact details and stay in touch. Regardless of which option you choose, you're now ready to start sharing your digital business card with Wave.